To start creating an assessment, you would want to log into EdConnect. You're going to go to the left-hand side where it says Assessments. Click down, and you are going to find where it says Test and then Create. Don't go down here where it says Items, Rubrics, and Passages. You want to stay with Tests and Create. You're going to want to drag this down and click on Manual. You want to name the test. You'll choose a subject, a grade level. You will not change anything in the next couple choices. Don't change anything. The only other thing you're going to select is your document. I always select from the Common Core because there's more items to choose from. So I choose Common Core Mathematics. Even though we use New Jersey, there's more items underneath the Common Core document. You're going to scroll down and generate the test. Oh, actually, you do want to go to co-author settings because this enables the test that you will be making to be able to be accessed by the other teachers. So you're going to click down on co-authoring. You're going to enable first, and that will give you the ability to type in names. And you'll select the people that you want to be able and sometimes it's a little finicky to find them, so just have patience, they will show up. So when you have selected all your co-authors, you are going to generate the test. You will always click on From Item Central because you are not creating your own items. And here it lets you open up to determine what standards you want to teach. So I always click on the subject first, the grade, and the standards. Again, I would choose the Common Core Math, which is already chosen because I chose it first. Now I will have the PLC tabbed on the other side, the agenda, so I can see what standards I need to choose, and that's going to be 3.0A, the 7, and the 9. So I'll tab back, and I'll look for the 3.0As, the 7, and the 9. Once I've selected those, you'll see the items next to it. You could select from there, or you can go up and view the results right here. So once the results come up, you'll scroll down, and what I like to do here is I like to determine the item choice, because in the quick assessments you really don't want anything except something that's going to be scored by EdConnect, not teacher scored. So I go by item type. It usually puts the multiple choice up first. Now, on this page there are 25 questions. If you select a question, an item from this page, at the bottom you have to enter them as part of the test at the bottom of this page. If you skip to a next page, you'll lose your choice. So if you choose a multiple choice, as in this one, and you don't want anything else from this page, you'll see at the bottom where it will let you add items to the test. So you'll want to do that. Okay. You don't want to do anything with this. You just want to return to the test. And this will bring you to this page where you can go to test content, where you see your item, and you can add from Item Central again another item. So it'll take you back to all your results, so you can view your results. It already, remember that you did it by item type, and then you can go and select the rest of your choices. You'll see this is all multiple choice. If you keep going to the next 25, at some point it will it will have different item choices, such as like multi-choice. The only thing you really don't want is the open response, because that will have to be teacher graded. So I'm just going to choose a random 2 to finish the test out. And at the bottom I will add them to the test. Now it's going to take you back here. If you want your items in a different order, if you want number 3 as number 1, you are going to go to Customize Test, and you're going to reorder the questions. This gives the ability to say, I want this to be number 3 and this to be number 1. And then you're going to save the reorder. Occasionally, like it just did, it will have your number order. The questions will be in your correct order, but your items won't be numbered correctly. So you would want to say question numbers and change those so it goes in order. So you would want to do this as 1, that is 2, and this is 3. And you can save that. Now, if you didn't do that, every teacher is able to fix that when they grab the test from the co-authoring folder. So if you forget that part, a teacher can fix that on their own. So now you have all your choices. You'll want to make sure that each point value is 1. Most of them are, because we just want them equally scored, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Over here, you're going to go to Test Properties. Now, it doesn't look like you can change anything, but at the very bottom of the Test Properties, you can click Edit Properties, and that's where you are going to go ahead and enable the text-to-speech, and you're going to save that. You do not have to generate text-to-speech for everybody. If you want to do it for yourself, because this is the one you're using for your own, you can generate text-to-speech by clicking that. But as long as everything is okay with your test, you can say done editing. And this will put it back into the folder for co-authoring. So when you click on the co-authoring folder, there will be quick assessment number 8. You can copy this from here if you didn't assign it to your class, and all the other teachers can copy it from here also. I hope this video helped.